After installing the horizontal slicer blade holder, connect each blade to the tensioning block with its screw. The screw for adjusting blade tension on the left is located at the lower left, and the screw for adjusting blade tension on the right is located at the upper right. After installing the blade, place it horizontally on the column and secure it. These two positions control blade tension. When tightening the blade, first push the upper left tensioning block to tighten, then tighten the screw. Next, secure the lower right tensioning block, then tighten the tensioning block to adjust the tightness. Tighten it with a wrench and then turn it back one turn. Then tighten the blade. The lower screw is for tightening the bottom blade. Tighten evenly, twice at the bottom and once at the top. After tightening, test the blade's tension to ensure it is taut before locking the screw. Repeat on the other side, tightening the bottom first, then the top, and then testing the blade tension again to ensure all blades have the same tension. Then lock the screw, positioning the blade in the middle of the wide slot in the blade holder. This completes the blade installation.